Okay, so HTML format indent inner HTML. Indent the head and body sections. Actually, yes, I do like indentation on those. And by default, this is set to false, which means that the head and the body tags will actually be flush against the side, and they're not really respecting the fact that they are inside an HTML tag. So a lot of people like these tags this way. I don't. I like my code to follow. I'm kind of a perfectionist, I guess. So because head and body are inside the HTML tag, and this is how code is supposed to be formatted. And I don't really like exceptions because exceptions just add cognitive load. So if you can remove exceptions, you actually simplify, whatever you're doing. If you can remove exceptions from a product, it becomes a simpler product, which probably means it's easier to produce or to use. If you remove exceptions from the formatting of your code, it means that the cognitive processing of that code always follows the same rules, which means less cognitive load. So removing exceptions is actually a good thing. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this one with true because I don't like exceptions.